Justin has his batting average up to 273 for the year.
What was that?
That was a sound that was not supposed to emanate from the speakers here.
What?
It spooked everybody in the ballpark, including J.J. Putz,
Jeez.
who spiked the ball. Somebody is going to be very unhappy.
Listen. Sounds like a cow.
I don't know what that was intended to be and what it was intended for, but it was a little out of place at that particular moment.
God, you think you've seen it all.
Or heard it all. Well, Putz can't be very happy with that. Let's hope it doesn't happen again.
Oh,